today I am going to show you how to do a buttonhole on the Jaguar 403. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the control panel, and we're going to select which buttonhole we would like to do. So today's demonstration I am going to select number 56. So you then go to the arrows at the top, and the first one does the 50, like so, and then we get number 6 on this side. And then there you can see the number displayed in the window up above. Speed wise, I'm going to have it situated in the middle because I think this is a really good speed to do the buttonhole on. Today I'm not going to be using the pedal. I'm going to use the stop start button, which is situated here. So this is the buttonhole foot. As you can see, it's the button fits into the end of the foot like so, which is on a spring device, so you can use different size buttons. And as you see on the buttonhole, there's a notch at the front. This is to center your buttonhole, and then the red line on the side, this is to show you how far down the buttonhole will come. The notches on the side, we will pull down a lever on the side of the machine, and this again helps to gauge the size of the buttonhole. So the foot is placed just like any other foot into the machine, and it attaches on the small little metal rod. And as you'll see, it's free moving once that's in place. And then I pull down the lever, which sits between those two pieces of plastic that I showed you earlier. Okay, so I've got a little piece of scrap fabric, so let's pop that in so I can show you how the buttonhole works. So I center it up like so, using the gauge at the front, and remember that the red line shows you how far down the buttonhole will come. Okay, let's press the button. Press the button and off we go. So what happens is it'll go and sew one line down, and then once it reaches the gauge, it will then go back up on itself and do another line, and then it'll go across the bottom like it's doing now, and then it will go over those stitches. Start to go up the other side and repeat the same stitch pattern. And then the machine automatically stops when it becomes to the end of the program, which is done now. So we'll get out the buttonhole, just cut that off for you. And there you can see the buttonhole is all done, and then we get an unpicker and that goes through the buttonhole. This one's a bit blunt, let's get a different one. Here we go, and this cuts nice and easy, and there you have the buttonhole. Let's get the button back out of the foot so you can see it fits nice. That's a great buttonhole. So I hope you enjoyed my demonstration. Please don't be afraid to do it. It is a nice, easy process. Thank you very much for watching.